Managing leads shouldn't feel like solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Too many tabs, too many tools, and not enough time. With Newton CRM, lead management is no longer a tangled mess. It's powerful, flexible, and built to make your day easier. Let me show you how. Here, you're looking at the complete list of leads. Every detail you need, all in one place. From tariff, color, size, and thickness to more granular data points depending on your product line. And the best part? You're in control. Click the edit icon at the top right and you'll have access to over 23 customizable fields tailored to your business needs. Whether you're in real estate, manufacturing, or solar panels, Newton adapts to your workflow, not the other way around. Now let's check out the lead form. Purchase date, warranty expiry, state, city, country, disposition, company name, it's all here. But you're not stuck with any of it. You decide what matters. Don't need warranty expiry? Remove it. Want to track installation team? Add it. Your form, your rules. Here's where things get even more powerful. Leads can flow in automatically from platforms like Facebook or IndiaMart. Or you can add them manually in seconds. Each lead moves through clear stages: new, follow-up, converted, or even lost. That transparency means you never lose track of a lead again. And when it comes to assigning leads, the lead owner has full control. You can reassign based on any workflow that fits your business. No more chaos, no more guessing games. Just a clean, powerful system that works the way you do. Welcome to Newton CRM. Lead management made beautifully simple.